Good morning, all of you. In fact, today I have chosen one major topic of the class 9th SST, that is electoral politics. As you know that we live in a country which is democratic by nature, so it is quite important to understand some of the important facts related with the elections, and elections are very important in a democracy to choose the representatives. So in this respect, this chapter is quite important for the students of class 9th and 10th, and there are the basic informations given in this chapter about the conduction of the elections, the importance of the elections, as well as the way of the choosing of the representatives by the people, and how all such sorts of activities take place in our country, in a democratic country like India. So all such sorts of discussions will be the part of this particular chapter, to which I will explain, and I will try to make you understand that why the electoral politics is very important for a democratic country like India. तो भारत एक लोकतांत्रिक देश है, और लोकतंत्र में चुनावों का एक बहुत महत्व है, और चुनाव ही वो प्रक्रियाएं हैं जिसके माध्यम से हम लोग जो है सो अपने प्रतिनिधियों का चुनाव कर पाते हैं। तो प्रतिनिधियों को चुनने के लिए जो है सो चुनाव होते हैं। इफ द क्वेश्चन कम्स दैट व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ द इलेक्शन, then the appropriate answer should be to this question is casting vote. This is the universal adult franchise that is given by any democratic constitutions to its citizen, of having the authority of casting vote whenever someone crosses the age of 18. So we have the universal adult franchise. We use this particular right at the time of casting our votes to those candidates whoever we want appropriate for the development of our regions. So as we can say that election is completely related with one of the rights that is given to us by our constitutions, that is the universal adult franchise. जो हमारा मत देने का अधिकार है, उसी के लिए जो है सो यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज प्रत्येक देश के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये एक राइट के अंतर्गत आता है, यानी कि मत देने का अधिकार, वोट देने का अधिकार। और ज्यों ही हम as soon as we talk about the right of casting vote to the representatives whom we want to change for the formation of the government, or we want to give some representative to seat in the opposition, to raise some of the igniting issues in front of the government in the parliament or in the constituent assemblies. There are different types of the constituent assemblies we have. तो जब हम किसी को अपने वोट के माध्यम से चुनते हैं, जब कोई प्रतिनिधि को, और उसको अधिकार देते हैं कि आप हमारी समस्याओं को सरकार तक लेकर के जाइए और उस समस्या को वहां पर रखिए, तो यही जो यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज से जुड़ा हुआ है निर्वाचन या चुनाव। जब हम किसी चुनाव में देखते हैं, वी हैव perhaps you would have seen the conduction of the elections in your locality. There are booths, there are different type of the officials, and these terms are quite what you can say very problematic for you in the earliest stage, but with the passage of time, when you would become a voter, you would be able to understand all such sorts of things. But before that, it is the responsibility for all of us to understand the configuration, the way of conduction of the elections, all such sorts of primary informations about elections that we have to gather, and all these informations are the purpose. All these informations are the part of this chapter by which I am trying to make you understand the importance of elections apart from the universal adult franchise, all these two terms. I think I would say that the universal adult franchise is the base of the election. Until and unless the people had no right at all of casting vote, there was no any election. As soon as this power was given to the public or to the citizen of a particular region, that was the power or the right of casting vote. Since this election trend had begun, और उसी समय से इलेक्शन जो है सो स्टार्ट हुआ था. द रिमेनिंग्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर विल बी डिस्कस्ड विथ यू, एंड टुडे जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज एंड some of the primary procedures of the conduction of the elections. In the next class, if I would get the opportunity to be with you, then I will discuss solely on some of the important topics of the rest and remaining paras of this chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Do take care of yourself.